Sometimes his, trying to make a living was working for Yiddish newspapers. What were other things that he did? Did he, like at points working as a painter, or do you know about any of that?
Oh, well, the standard story is that he's very different than all the other contemporaries who managed to find some scroungy job, a waiter or heaven knows what, to sustain himself so he could write his Yiddish poetry. And there's the standard story with Moyshe-Leyb that he didn't do that. And that at one point he asked one of the poets who had a tailor shop could he, just do some menial stuff like press pants. And that experiment turned out to be a disastrous failure when the pants began to smolder under his iron. He was daydreaming. That's a standard story. Yeah, I don't know. Apparently, he was less aggressive or less successful in some other way at getting some way to maintain some livelihood and still manage to do his poetry. He had troubles doing that. And the interesting thing is he could fall back on his art in some ways to pull that off.